Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pradeep Bima. Are you planning to visit Thailand? Then you should watch this video because I will provide complete travel guide including visa, accommodation, currency, local transfer, how to book activities, what kind of activities you should do. You can completely avoid the travel agent to avoid the unnecessary cost. So let's get started into the actual video. First things first, let's understand the geography. From India, Thailand is not very far. It will take approximately 3 to 4 hours journey in flight. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand, which is in the north side, and you have Pattaya, which is close to 1 hour drive from Bangkok. And again towards south, you have the place called Phuket and also Krabi, which is near to Phuket. I strongly suggest to plan for Phuket and Krabi and skip Pattaya and also consider Bangkok. Let us now understand the budget summary. A ticket from India to Thailand will cost approximately 30,000. It might be lesser if you plan in advance for up and down, including the domestic transfer of Phuket, because from Bangkok to Phuket is very far, or even Krabi for that matter. So you have to consider local transfer as well. Visa on arrival, it is approximately 5,000. You just need to fill form and some physical cash you have to give and give the photo ID. It's very easy. Accommodation, it depends on your budget, but more or less for 5 days, considering 3,000 per day, 15,000 is sufficient. When it comes to food, 20,000. Again, it depends on your wish, but 20,000 is max you can do. Activities, considering Fifi and James Bond, it should be 30,000. So overall, 1 lakh is the cost which comes for the budget summary. Another points to note: charger Type A 2 flat pins, currency is Thai baht, payment mode physical cash is better. Activities always book in advance. Local transfers you can book instantly or covered in activities. When it comes to local transfer, how to travel, it depends on which place you are, Bangkok or Phuket or Krabi. But more or less, you have cabs or the tuk tuk. It's time to start the activities. For me, day one, I directly went to Phuket from Bangalore. So it started with Phuket itself. So after landing in airport, I directly went to Tiger Kingdom before checking into hotel because it comes on the way. You can spend some time here. Followed by, you can go to shooting range again before checking in, and you will be able to experience the real guns here. It is really good. I tried sniper. After this, probably you can immediately go to the Katu Buggy ride. Again, here there are two tracks. One is the hill terrain, the other one is the off-roading. So I suggest to take both. It's not very expensive, but if you're really adventurous, it's better to take both the things. So first I tried the hill terrain, which is this one. Followed by I did the off-roading, which comes in the upcoming video. So I strongly suggest to do all these things and then probably go and check into your hotel because you can cover this on the way to your hotel itself. Enjoy. This is the other track I was mentioning, the off-road one. It's again the same buggy, but it's a different experience. So definitely you should try these two. It is not very expensive, around 2,000 or 2,500, and you will get to drive for close to 30 to 45 minutes. But it's really good. You will not get this kind of adventure anywhere. Means you can find in other places too, but then this is little tricky. After completing this activity, I went to hotel, freshen up, and then went out for the walking street in Phuket. It is really good. And next day, you can book for Fifi Islands. You can book in any online platform. It's an entire day activity, and your pick and drop is covered from your hotel, so not to worry. It's a very good island. You will get to see a lot of other beaches and some other small islands in between. So it's a good day to explore. Day three, I went to James Bond Island. This is also included for pick and drop, and it's again the full day activity. But unlike Fifi, in James Bond, you get to see a lot of other activities in between, like kayaking and exploring some hidden mountains and all. So this is one place where you get called Koyo during the visit of James Bond Island. It's really good. You will have to be careful with your head because the rocks are little low. You will be having a helmet, but you really need to be careful. And remember this, if you're lucky, you will get to see this because it's actually too risky to go here. If the water level is high, then probably you might not have chance to get inside this mountain. So it depends on your luck. But otherwise, it's really good. And this place is like out of nowhere. You can just see now, the moment we go out, it's all completely sea where we actually came from our boats. So it's a very good place. Day 4, you can do the Bangkok city tour, which includes your safari and marine park. Maybe you can fly on the same day from Phuket or the previous day evening.